Hi, welcome to JimsOrbit. The gaming industry has been on a rise for quite a lot of years now, and I'm sure you must have heard of famous games like Cyberpunk, Call of Duty, Among Us. And rightly so. Well, these games have taken over the entire world. Well, playing is one thing, but have you ever stopped and wondered what goes behind making these games? This video is a quick little introduction about game development. This is not a course, but we hope to instill in you some curiosity about how games are made. Playing the game and making a game require different skill sets. Someone who is a professional player might not be able to make professional games, and vice versa. Deciding on factors like your target audience, your game genre, the story, the various concepts come much before you actually start designing your game. The broad categories of skills involved in game development are as follows. Firstly, design. It involves conceptualizing all the rules of the game, the story, whether it is a 2D game or a 3D game, and everything that makes your game yours. Secondly, programming. Programming helps you implement the design in code. Languages like C# and JavaScript are widely used for game development. Next comes the art department, which involves all your visual and your audio components. Softwares like Adobe Photoshop for 2D and Maya and Blender for 3D are widely used. Then there is academics. Yes, you do need to have the basic knowledge of physics and maths and 3D geometry and statistics, because say if you're making a first-person shooter game, you do need to be aware of the mechanics of a bullet leaving a gun so that you can recreate it. Given the wide range of skills required, games are generally built by a team of people who are highly specialized in their own fields of knowledge. Nowadays, people, most often than not, use game engines. A game engine lays the software framework to build and create video games. It provides core game functionality. That is, it is responsible for rendering graphics, memory management, and many more. It is like an interface between your game and the operating system and the hardware. So you have your game engine and then you build on top of the game engine according to your needs. All the content that is specific to your game is automatically converted by most game engines to suit different gaming platforms like the PlayStation or Xbox, iOS or Android. Unity and Unreal Engine are two most famous game engines. Now, what is a game editor? A game editor typically comes with the engine. The game editor basically comprises of all the tools that make the process of assembling the game more intuitive and visual for you, so that you don't have to do everything at the code level. Unity, for example, has its own built-in editor. It helps you creating all the important game functionality, such as the lighting, the physics involved, the sound, and the visual design as well. However, Unity does not provide tools for image manipulation, so you do have to import those designs from softwares and tools like Photoshop, Maya, and so on. Unity also offers a community page where you can ask for or provide help or have discussions with fellow game developers. Various famous games like Temple Run, Assassin's Creed, Among Us have been made via Unity. However, not all gaming engines come with their own built-in gaming editors. Unreal Engine has its own separate game editor called Unreal Editor. Popular games like PUBG and Fortnite were made using the Unreal Engine. The skills you learn, like coding for a game or building a 3D world while making a game in, say, Unity, can be applied to other environments as well. Unity has a huge set of diverse features and is also known to be slightly more beginner-friendly than its competitors. And that's it for this video. If you liked it, please consider supporting this channel. Happy gaming and happy learning!